Today our topic is making a professional document on MS Word. So we should start with opening the MS Word. We can open the MS Word by clicking on Start button. We can find the word from my document. Here is the Microsoft Office, then Microsoft Word. I have Microsoft Word 2010. So if you have a different version, doesn't matter, not a bigger difference. So we should start. Okay, now we are going to make a report on software. Level 6 students, I am giving you both of you different topics. So first I am giving, write the software, giving the heading. Okay, that one is better now. Now I'm going to write the definition of the software. Okay, software is a set program used to perform action. We have and we have two types of software. Okay, that's one. Okay, if we want to better to find the information over the internet. Okay, now I have entered the topic name in the Google search bar, and the descriptions appears over here, so we can uh, copy the text. Okay, now I'm going to copy the text from the internet. Okay, it's copied now. Yes, this one is better. Okay, control C with the copy, and from here I'm control V, pressing control V together for the paste. Okay, now our text is being copied. uh, I just make its alignment, uh, giving the justified alignment. Perfect. We have, I know that we have two types of software. So it's ourselves that we can write in points with okay, now I'm going to insert the smart art. Click on the insert tab, go to the smart art, choose the hierarchy because I am going to create a web of the types of software. Okay, you can choose according to your topic. Okay, I think this one is much better now, so I will choose this one. Okay, perfect, then click OK. It's appear now. I'm entering the text over here, software. So we have different two types of software. So I'm going to write the text application software, and the next one is, which one is the next one? Okay, the next one is system software. Okay, system software I'm writing over here. Next, correcting the spelling. Okay, system software. Okay, next is further describe about the application software. There are lots of application software. Which one is, I think, Microsoft Office. We can write MS Office. Okay, and the other one is there are lots of media players, and no, I think Internet Explorer. फर्दर मोर हम चाहें तो हम मीडिया प्लेयर्स के बारे में भी लिख सकते हैं, एंड और लॉट ऑफ एंड सिस्टम सॉफ्टवेयर इज विंडोज़, देयर लिनक्स, मैक. Okay, lots of system software. I can tell you any one. Okay, मैंने इस वक्त सिर्फ एक को डिस्क्राइब किया, आप और के बारे में मेरी so its web is completed. Okay, then I'm going to insert some pictures. ठीक है, find the information of internet software. ठीक है, तो मौजूद है, images पे क्लिक करेंगे, so I can find the pictures. Just choose any one of them, right click on that picture. Okay, right click, save image as, save image. Okay, perfect. Then folder open, then I'm going to save it on my desktop, creating new folder over here because I have multiple pictures. Okay, with the name, giving the name pictures. Okay, then double click on it and save. Okay, I can also give the name of my picture software, save. Okay, then same as I'm finding in the picture of my next topic, that is application software. You can follow the yellow button. Okay, can you follow it? जो येलो कर्सर आप लोगों को नज़र आ रहा है, आप उसको फॉलो कर रहे हैं ना? गुड. ओके, save image, right click. Okay, now I'm not open the folder again. We can just it's automatically save in my picture folders as we have created before. Okay, then same as I'm writing about the system software, find the picture of the system software. Okay, same, repeat that. Which one, the picture I am going to use? Okay, this. Okay, I can choose this one or this one. I think this one is much better. We can click on it, save as, it's automatically save in my picture folder again. Click on, write the name of the picture and then press the save button. Okay, you can see the status bar. There's a lots of pictures, whatever we can store in my computers or shows in our status bar. Same as we have to do with the Windows, as we can save out of the lots of pictures in my current desktop folder picture. I can choose the software picture and open. Now it can appears on this folder. Again I can click on the picture. ठीक है, picture, then choose the system software and then press the insert button. Okay, you can see that we are not supposed to go open the folder. Once we have so save the pictures in my folder is automatically open. I just click on it and insert it. Okay, we no need to download or save the pictures again from the browser. First we have to save all the pictures, then we have to insert it easily. ओके, सेम एज वी हैव क्लिक ऑन द सर्किल. हम जो सर्किल हमें गिवन दिया है विंडोज़ का, ठीक है, उस पर क्लिक करेंगे. ठीक है, डायलॉग बॉक्स ओपन, फोल्डर ओपन, वी कैन चूज द पिक्चर एंड प्रेस द इंसर्ट बटन. So okay, now all my web is completed now with the pictures, images and the text. I can give the name of that web. What's the name of the web? Types of software. ठीक है, इसको नेम दे देते हैं टाइप्स ऑफ. वी डोंट नीड टू राइट द टेक्स्ट, बहुत ज़्यादा टेक्स्ट लिखने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. सो ठीक है, एंटर टाइप्स ऑफ सॉफ्टवेयर. ठीक है, आई कैन गिव द हेडिंग ऑफ दैट द टाइप्स ऑफ सॉफ्टवेयर. ओके, सेलेक्ट द टेक्स्ट, give the heading 2 or 1. I think 1 is better, is darker in color. Okay, it shows good. We can smaller the web, थोड़ी छोटी कर लेते हैं. So we can click and drag, click, hold it and drag. ठीक है, good, perfect. Then enter, you can at the end of the web and press enter. Here I am going to describe all the application software, system software, and their further more options like MS Office, Internet Explorer, Windows. Now we have to describe them all. Okay, I am writing over here about application software. First we have to write all the headings and their subheadings like application software, and give them a proper color and title and heading. Okay, just select the text. You can see that I just hold the mouse and drag. मैं क्या कर रही हूँ? I just hold the mouse and drag to select any text. Okay, right over here the system software. Okay, system software. Then here I am writing. Achha, now I'm going to write about further of applications. Internet Explorer, MS Office, and tab. We can just press the tab button from the keyboard. ठीक है, मैं आगे जान इंडेंट जो है ना हम इसे कहते हैं. ठीक है, it can be appears with the help of the tab button. Okay, can give the color. Your application software color and the system software color is the same because both are the subheadings of the software. ठीक है, इसी तरह से MS Office, इंटरनेट एक्सप्लोरर एंड विंडोज़, इन तीनों का कलर स्टाइल सब सेम होगा. ठीक है, वी जस्ट हम इसको यहीं तक रखते हैं. देन वी हैव टू एक्सप्लेन यू description of the application software, MS Office, Internet Explorer, and so on. ठीक है, now your task, I'm giving the task of level 5 and level 6 students. Level 5 students making a report on robots. They can describe the robot, write the proper heading of robots. And level 6 students, you have to make a report on computer wires. Okay.